Hello and welcome back to another Answer Me video. Today, we're looking at graphing. So, we will begin this graphing journey by looking at what it means to plot a point on a Cartesian plane. Okay, so first, a brief introduction to the Cartesian plane. So the Cartesian plane has an x-axis and a y-axis. So this horizontal line is the x-axis and the vertical line is the y-axis. So on the x-axis, you have positive numbers on the right-hand side and negative numbers on the left-hand side. The same applies for the y-axis. So in the upward direction, so above the x-axis, the numbers are positive. Below the x-axis, the numbers are negative. Okay, so now that we know what it means to have a Cartesian plane, what does it mean to have a number such as 2, 3? So, what are these brackets actually telling us? So when we draw brackets and we write x, some x and some y, what we are referring to is a position of x, so a position along the x-axis, and then where that line meets another line on the y-axis. So what we need to remember is that the first number represents our x-axis and the second number represents our y-axis. So the number 2, 3, what does that mean? So the number 2 on the x-axis can be found right here, and the number 3 on the y-axis can be found here. So where does the 2 on the x-axis and the 3 on the y-axis meet? Well, they meet right there. And so we've moved 2 along the x-axis, we've moved up 3 along the y-axis. Now, I'll do one more example with you, and then I'll give you a couple of these to practice. So what about -5 minus 2? What will this look like? So we go to -5 on the x-axis, which is here, and then we go to -2 on the y-axis, which is here. So we plot our point -5, -2. Okay, can you try the numbers? And -3, -1, and -2, 2. So could you try those now? Okay, I'm hoping you pause the video to try these numbers out. Let's work through them together. So 2 minus 6. So where is 2 on the x-axis? Right there. Where is -6? Down here. So you plot our point 2 minus 6. What about -3 minus 1? -3 along the x-axis, -1 on the y-axis, so our point is over there. What about -2, 2? We go -2, then we go up along the y-axis to find 2, then we go -2, 2. Okay,
I hope this has been helpful. Please don't forget to go to www.ansme.com. There's so many practice questions there for you to do and everything that you need for your math solutions. Now, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I hope to see you in the next video.